there, friends and neighbors. Brent here for Pastor's Farm. Welcome back to the farm. You guessed it, we've got another shed video, but I think we are in the home stretch. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I get these ideas where I think I can do something and it's just gonna take this, this, and this, and then this, and this, and it'll be done. Man, this darn thing won't quit. I feel like the closer I get, the longer it's gonna take. Right? You start at the bottom, work your way up. It seems easy enough, but the higher you get, the longer things take, because you got to go up and down ladders. You got to use a tractor and raise things up and down. I mean, it's just uber time consuming. However, we've got some trim pieces up here. You can see the universe gifted us a door. I'd been looking at doors on Marketplace and Craigslist and stuff, and saw a couple of freebies that I wanted to grab, but somebody beat me to it. And I had just about resigned to the fact that I was going to have to buy a door. I came out of the house yesterday and the neighbor across the street is getting a new front door, and I got this one for free from the guy across the street. I mean, sometimes things just work out. Here's your sign. All right, y'all, what we've got to do here today, we've got to get our trim done up here. We've got, I don't know if you can see because of the shadow, the piece that runs here underneath the roof on our lean-to on our slope here. We've got to put that in on the other side of the building, and we may go into town today and get shingles depending on how the day goes. We do all that, we get the trim done, we get that back piece done, we get our shingles done. We'll be dried in completely except for this guy right here, and then that will be probably the last thing on the list before we actually caulk everything and paint everything up when it warms up. Y'all stick around, we're gonna get it done.
I did not initially plan to do these eaves. We've got rain coming in the following day, and I decided to get as much done as I could here while the sun was still shining. I can run into town when it's raining the following day, and you'll see as the video progresses here, we've got bright blue skies to start out. Later in the video, it's super cloudy and overcast, so rain is on the way.
There's a gap. I'm flush here. The further down you get, the bigger that gap gets between the wall and the eaves there. When I take this apart here to paint, I'll probably come in and flush that up. Either that or I'm going to get a piece of cord around and just slap a piece of cord around up there and seal it in. We'll see. Alright y'all, battery died, so here's what you missed. We went ahead and got the trim done here. This one was already up. We went ahead and got this trim here cut and tacked up. This piece here was already up, it's just temporarily placed. Got this piece here cut. We'll need one more piece to go here. This piece will go up after we get this closed in, which is what we're about to start on. Well, other than where I mismeasured here on this piece, it actually turned out pretty good on this end. I'll come in with a 1x6 here and just trim that whole piece, and it'll cover that up and seal it in, and I don't have to worry about anything sneaking its way in through there into the interior. And I think it'll look better anyways. So there you go.
I'm going to semi-permanently install this door here. I wanted to see how it's going to fit and how much room I'm going to have. When I framed in this door opening, I actually built it to hold a pre-hung door, which of course includes a full door frame, and I don't have that here. I just have the door and some hinges. So I'm going to have some extra gaps in there that I'll probably have to frame in manually. So I wanted to get an idea of how much room I'm going to have and what materials I may need to get this finished in.
It's nowhere near perfect, but it's good enough for now.
We appreciate y'all stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Hope y'all have a great week.